Welcome to DJM TV, where you get latest news updates. If today is your first time seeing our videos, you are at the right channel, and we promise not to disappoint you, as we are here to update you on all trending and latest news. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and you are welcome on board. Please share, comment and like our work, as this gives us the strength and ability to carry on with our good work. Let's get into the main news. EDO ADP collapse structure joins PDP. With just a few weeks to Edo governorship election scheduled for September 19, People's Democratic Party (PDP) in Edo State has continued to receive more decampees and swell its membership. On Monday, it was the turn of ADP in the state, as the entire state executive and members by its chairman defected to the party. Mr. Oshudin Isdomwen, the state organizing secretary of the ADP who led the defectors, said that they decided to join the PDP out of compulsion because they believed in the capacity of the party to deliver its candidate in the forthcoming governorship election, as well as the sterling quality of Governor Obaseki. Isdomwen revealed that he was a foundation member of the PDP in 1999 but left the party in not so distant a time, when some persons whom he described as strange bedfellows came to join PDP. He, however, said that he and other defectors find it convenient to return home now, as those persons have exited the party. A major motivating factor that led them to pitch tent with the PDP was the antecedents, interest of the party, as well as the performance of the Edo governor, Godwin Obaseki, who has now joined the party. He confessed. According to him, in politics interest matters, as it is a driving force. Dr. Tony Aziebemi, PDP party chairman who received the defectors, said he was excited not because of the caliber of persons coming to join PDP, but because of their enthusiasm in coming to join the party as a result of the performance of the party's flag bearer for the September 19 poll. He gave the assurance that the defectors would be fully integrated into the party to contribute to the success and performance of the party, as the performance was the driving force of the party in all ramifications. Thank you for all your time listening to us. Thanks for all your love and support. Bye for now.
DJM TV.